Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Adobe Scan app. So if you also want to use Adobe Scan app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Adobe Scan is a free mobile application that transforms your smartphone into a portable scanner. It allows you to capture paper documents like receipts, notes, business cards and more. So if you also want to use Adobe Scan app, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Adobe Scan application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open Adobe Scan application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to scan the documents. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for whiteboard, book, document, ID card, business card. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now from here, you'll be able to scan any kind of document you want. In order to scan the document, all you have to do is place the document in front of the camera and tap on the screen. After that, that particular document will be scanned. You can also upload the document if you want. If you want to upload a document, simply tap on the photo icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you'll be able to choose the document that you want to scan. Simply tap on any document you want to scan. After that, tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Like this, you'll be able to scan the document. You'll be able to find several options over here. You can also retake the photo if you want. You can also crop the photo. Also, you'll be able to rotate. You'll also be able to edit the text if you want. This is only available for the premium users. You can also apply the filters. Likewise, you can also adjust the brightness. Also, you'll be able to find the features like cleanup, markup, resize, and delete. You can also keep scanning. You can scan other documents as well. If you tap on the option keep scanning, you'll be able to scan other documents. You can also rename it if you want. At top, you'll be able to see the name. All you have to do is tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to rename the document. Like this, you'll be able to rename the document. If you want to save the document, simply tap on the option Save PDF. After that, you can see over here that document will be saved as PDF. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the home icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, from here you'll be able to see all the documents that you've saved and scanned. If you want to unlock the premium features, simply tap on the option free trial. Now you'll be able to see the plan over here. You can start the 7-day free trial if you want. If you purchase the plan, you'll get more benefits and features. Explore the features and use Adobe Scan app to scan any kind of documents you want. So that is how you use Adobe Scan application. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.